Hey Future Us, it is, wait, what day is it?
It's like the 20th.
Hey Future Us, it is May 2025.
Come in. This is my next day of staying consistent. I think I'm one day consistent. So I only posted a video yesterday. I keep falling off. But today I'm opening up this pressure washer I brought for Anissa. As y'all know, we got this old ass house, and so not sometimes, like if you just go through the weather and don't do nothing, this bitch just pick up dirt and probably the horse and donkey. No.
The carport?
The house in general. Why the fuck is it so dirty?
Oh, cause when it winds, I mean.
Yeah, we be having a
windy,
million hurricanes.
The dirt gets on the side of the house, and then the algae from the sun, and then the spiders, because like we said, this is a neglected house, and this is the spiders. Actually, it's not ours. No, they're our roommates, and they just be out here doing all that. Yeah, but it's really because of the dust and stuff.
Okay, so yeah, man. All of that is why the house be dirty as fuck. So it needs to be scrubbing the house by hand. Now she got a pressure washer. We bought this off Amazon for a few dollars. It's called Reap High Pressure Washer. So Anissa think if she use it on the house, it's gonna fuck up the panel. So hopefully it's a low mode. Oh no. This is a lot of shit. Alright.
Well, let's read this.
I thought this was gonna be easy.
Yeah.
Like just pull it out and go. Oh shit.
What is this?
That's probably a tool, yeah. Goes on to that for sure.
Wow, they be like, thank you very much for purchasing our product. That's so nice.
So nice.
Can leave him alone, please? Thank you. Must not. Do not use the appliance with inflammable or toxic liquids or any product. Okay, that's common sense.
No, it ain't.
I would never.
Turn this
It's
into
a
a
water
flamethrower.
pressure. Oh no, please.
High pressure flamethrower.
That's exactly. You're exactly the same person. Like, and imagine that I'm married. I'm over here like I would never, and my husband like I could do it.
Ooh.
Okay, yes, storage.
Is that how to put it together?
I'm trying to find it. Yeah, I found it.
Okay. I could probably do it without looking at that.
Fixing the matching end. It tells you to start with the nozzle.
Start with the nozzle.
Mhm.
With the nozzle. That thing, okay.
Oh.
I think you put this on there, right?
To the gun handle thing.
Yeah.
You're skipping steps.
Oh, that's step number one, nigga. What you talking about?
Oh yes, it says with spanner and to be sure it is tight for high pressure made by washer. That's called a spanner.
Okay.
And then screwing the connector on the other end of the hose onto the water outlet pipe of unit. What?
Right.
Okay, maybe that's not the right one.
Okay.
Oh no, see I was wrong.
You was wrong.
I think that goes to this.
This goes to this.
Yeah,
That would make sense. Yes, it does.
right. This goes to that.
This is okay.
It looked like the picture. That's very misleading.
That right? Yeah. And cause this is squiggly.
And they don't put numbers on it like the other stuff that I put together. Other stuff. Oh! Don't break that in.
You might need that. Oh, this one. Dun, dun, dun.
Now that makes sense because I was reading and I'm like, dang, why did they skip all the way down to here? Proceed as follows. Hold the lance in one hand to press the adapter of the lance and change the spring.
Alright, so we finna do this first panel. I'm finna hook the hose up to the connector.
Put it on?
No.
Not yet.
Okay, cut it on for me.
Don't point that at your hand or hit it on.
Wow, Kane, you're a fucking bitch.
Why you spraying my mouth? That's wrong. Ain't no pressure today. What kind of pressure wash is this?
Fuck!
Make sure the thing was out.
What thing? The air, yeah.
That's what I'm saying. You didn't get the air out like you
How the
were
fuck do you do that? Don't say it.
supposed to open something.
Open what, babe? What do you want me to open? Turn the tap on to make sure that the tap is open. What we did. So Anissa said maybe we gotta add one of these things. I'm thinking the shit should fucking work without them. But hey, what do Tell me, babe, what are you doing?
You grabbed it. I didn't know.
I was looking. Yeah.
But we're doing the same thing. So why would I record on a lower one?
She said, I'm just gonna use your time lapse.
Oh,
She shoulda recorded it herself. When I see my video on her YouTube channel, I'm gonna copyright that bitch.
I have proof of you sending it to me.
Yeah, you gonna have to screen record it because I ain't sending you shit. Come on, start this shit, man. I put the wrong one on, yeah. Ooh, spray me. No, don't spray me, bitch. I was playing.
Oh, which one's our car?
I hate that. That was good.
See? That's why you need me around.
That's why I need Anissa around, y'all.
I help out. I
Cause
might
I
not know.
move so fast, and I don't be thinking about the little stuff.
Yeah, I might not know what things are called, but are you okay? Sexy.
You might not know what things are called.
I might not know what things are called, but I think a little bit more thorough. Maybe I gotta go closer.
The post is supposed to be this tall. I'm a fucking idiot. I just dug way too deep. I'm finna see if Anissa wanna tap out. She said, you need to stay over here and stop doing other stuff because you need to help me pressure wash this fence too so we can stain it and be done. That's exactly how she said it too.
I feel it.
around.
You want to trust your skills?
Turn it around how?
Bring it right here.
No. Wait, actually, let me try.
You want to try?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Look, it's broken already. That's a sign. Look at that.
Go straight and start turning. Yep. Right. You got it. Okay, so go wide first. Yeah. Yep. You go a little faster with the gas. The small one. Oh, shit. Yeah, turn it, turn it. Yeah. You good. Huh? No, keep coming this way. Yeah, just bring it right here. Go back how you did, and oh yeah, that's cool too. Yep. Yes, sir. Right there.
It's gonna roll a little bit. We ain't on even ground. We back doing concrete. So I'm finna time lapse it because it ain't special. And that is all we did for today, man.
Like that?
Yep.
Kind of big.
I think that one's right here. Oh, it's right here. The second one. Mm-hmm. And the further back you are, the better.
Oh,
Like, mm-hmm.